Okay, this video is going to cover a few different methods of taking a screenshot, both saving the screenshot as an image file itself and embedding an image file from a screenshot into a Word document, which can be submitted as part of an assignment in Blackboard. So let's start with the snipping tool because it is just for taking screenshots. Now that can be found, this is a Windows 8 machine that I'm working on, 8.1, so other versions of Windows will be a little bit different, but if you have the Start Apps button or the Start menu, you should be able to search for the snipping tool. Either way, it will be indicated with this little icon that looks like a pair of scissors. Once you click that, the application itself will open in a small window and you'll click Create New. Older versions of Windows, it actually already sets it to create a new one, so your screen will look a little more like this. Everything is sort of whited out, and you would just select the area that you want to take a screenshot of. Now we can save this as an image file itself, and you can use that to submit as an assignment in and of itself, or if you need to incorporate it into a document, you can copy it and open your Word document and paste it into the document. You could also save the snip and then use the Insert menu, Insert Picture, and find your snip and insert it that way. So either way will work. Now we're going to look at the snipping tool that's built into Windows 10, 2010 and higher, and that's on the Insert menu, Screenshot, and it gives you a few different options. It'll show you full-size windows from all of your screens, or you can use the screen clipping tool, and that will minimize the size of your Word document, and it will white out your screen similar to the snipping tool and pull up the windows that are behind. So here we can take whatever snip we like, and that automatically embeds it into the Word document. Okay, the other thing we're going to look at is using the keyboard. You may have a button on your keyboard, a print screen button like this, and if you press that button, that will copy an image of your screens, all of your screens, to your clipboard. So when we come back here into the document and we click the paste button, we'll see all of your screens side by side. So if you have a single screen, you'll only see a single screen's worth of content. If you have 2 or 3 screens, as I do, you'll have all of that content. So the benefit of this is if you have, of course, multiple screens, you can capture all of them at once. Now the drawback there is that as you can see, it's very small, so you can use the crop feature in your Microsoft Office products and crop that down to a single image and then resize it so that it's a little more easier to view. So that'll allow you to really precisely drag the cropping bars around the area that you want in your image. The other snipping tools allow you to draw a box around exactly where you want it, but not everyone has, if you're on an older version of Windows or an older version of Office, you might not have those options. So the print screen option is always there, and then you do have the cropping tools. If you don't have a cropping tool in your version of Office, then it's really outdated and this is probably not going to be the biggest of your worries. So those are the many different ways that you can take an image of what is on your screen and add it into a Word document, or save it as an individual image and submit it as a file in and of itself.